everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. As much as I love my tiffins, I like all the chutneys that accompany them. I personally love chutneys and I cannot enjoy my tiffins without them. Today I am going to share a very interesting and delicious chutney. We are going to make Tiffin Centre Tomato Chutney. So let's get started and check it out. For more interesting and tasty chutney recipes, click on the link at the end of the video. So for this recipe, we're going to roast all the ingredients in batches. To the pan, add about 2 teaspoons of oil. First I'm going to add 1/4 cup of peanuts. First roast the peanuts till they turn to a lovely golden brown color. So I'm using the peanuts with skin. You can just use the nuts without skin as well. So you can see the peanuts have turned to a lovely golden brown color. At this point I'm going to add 1/4 cup of roasted Chana Dal. So roast the Chana Dal for about 30 seconds. So next I'm adding 1/2 cup of fresh coconut pieces. So you can also add grated coconut. Next I'm adding 7 cloves of garlic. Along with this I'm adding 2 green chilies cut into pieces. Next I'm adding a few small pieces of tamarind. We're going to roast this for about 2 minutes. Maintain the flame on a medium-low. Next I'm adding 7 red chilies. Along with this I'm also adding a few fresh curry leaves. After 2 minutes, turn off the stove. So you can see we have all these ingredients that are roasted nicely. Transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. To the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now add 2 medium-sized onions roughly chopped. Saute the onions for about 5 minutes on medium flame. I've sauteed the onions for about 5 minutes, so the color is slightly changed. At this point, I'm going to add the tomatoes. Now for this recipe, I've taken 4 large tomatoes and I've roughly chopped them. So we're going to cook the tomatoes along with the onions. We're going to cook the tomatoes till they become slightly mushy. After about a minute, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of rock salt. This is going to help cook the tomatoes a little quicker. Now if you don't have rock salt, no problem, you can just use the regular table salt. This is a very simple yet tasty chutney. You can refrigerate this for about 3 to 4 days. So you can see the tomatoes have become nice and mushy. It's releasing all those juices. So before I turn off the stove, I'm adding a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Just toss that in. Turn off the stove, transfer the ingredients to a plate and cool it completely. So which tiffin do you think will taste incomplete without tomato chutney? Let me know in the comment section. The ingredients have cooled down completely. First I'm going to add the red chilies to the mixer jar. Transfer the cooled coconut, garlic, green chili and the peanuts to the mixer jar. So I'm going to grind it without adding any water first. So you can see it's ground to a nice coarse mixture. Just gently push everything to the center. Transfer the cooked tomatoes and onions to the mixer jar. We're just going to grind everything together without adding any water first. I'm just adding a little bit of water to get the right consistency. Transfer the ground chutney to a bowl. So now our tomato chutney is ready. So if you like a little thicker chutney, you can just temper it at this point and you can enjoy it as is. But since we are making this Tiffin Centre Tomato Chutney version, we're going to dilute the chutney a little more and we're going to temper it. And you can refrigerate it like this, nice and thick, for up to 2 to 3 days. So I'm just going to add another 1/2 cup of water. So you can see this beautiful pouring consistency. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Since I've added 1 teaspoon of rock salt while cooking the tomatoes and onions, I haven't added any salt while grinding. So now while diluting the chutney, you can add salt and get the right taste. To the tempering pan, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add about 2 teaspoons of Urad Dal, 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds begin to splutter, add 2 teaspoons of Cumin Seeds. Turn off the stove. Add the red chillies, add a few curry leaves and add about half teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing. Gently mix everything. Now pour the hot tempering into the chutney and gently mix everything well. Wow, just look at that beautiful Tiffin Centre Tomato Chutney. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Today I am serving this chutney with some nice soft spongy idlis. But you can enjoy it with any tiffin of your choice. With just simple everyday ingredients, we've made this amazing and delicious tomato chutney. So if you're having sudden friends or relatives coming over and you're wondering what to make for them in large quantity, this is something that you can quickly make and serve them. Well, this idli chutney combination is really making me hungry. So well, it's time to taste. Oh, wow. I'm just relishing the flavors. Incredible flavors. Such a simple chutney with amazing flavors. This chutney will go with all tiffins, so you shouldn't miss it and you should definitely try this one. Well, I absolutely loved it. It's just the combination of ingredients that's made this chutney so tasty and delicious. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website.